strange feels safer than the ordinary, and the animals seem to love you more than any. The old root's calling since you were a child, and the sunrise tilts like it wants your smile. Then love, don't fight it. You're wired to the wild. 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 You started feeling called by things no book could ever teach, like the wind would shift directions just to stay within your reach. All the quiet work you'd started just to satisfy the itch, long before you had the language for the words. Natural witch.